Before some of the biggest natural disasters in recent memory, people noticed small, strange things, like trees giving a harvest no one expected. In May 2017, Sri Lanka was hit by sudden, devastating floods. But days before the water rose, communities told stories of local trees bursting with fruit out of season. It seemed impossible. Yet these aren't just old wives' tales. These stories appear again and again around the world. Let me show you 3 real moments in history where nature seemed to speak, and what science and people said in reply. December 26, 2004, the Indian Ocean tsunami. Before the wave crashed, park rangers in Sri Lanka watched in confusion as animals fled the shorelines, sensing a vibration we could not feel. March 2011, the Tohoku earthquake in Japan. Researchers later found that dairy cows produced significantly less milk in the days leading up to the quake. A biological stress response, documented by science. And back to 2017. Before those landslides, the heavy monsoon rains triggered something in the trees, a final, desperate burst of life before the destruction. So, were these miracles, coincidence, or biology? The answer lies in how nature senses change. We forget that plants and animals are embedded systems. They are constantly monitoring light, moisture, pressure, and vibration. Trees don't think like we do, but they have biochemical systems that are incredibly sensitive. Ecologists call sudden fruiting events masting, or stress-driven reproduction. When plants detect a shift in temperature or water, they change their survival strategy. They aren't predicting the future, they are reacting to the present, at a level of detail humans simply ignore. But what does this mean for us? How can listening to nature make us stronger? Nature's reaction is not prophecy, it is adaptation. And there is a lesson here for us. When nature meets stress, it adapts, it rebalances, it channels energy where it matters most. We can learn those same skills. Modern research on forest bathing proves that even short exposure to green spaces lowers cortisol, reduces anxiety, and helps regulate our emotions. The evidence is strong. Nature literally helps rewire the stressed human brain toward calm and clarity. So, here are practical ways to bring that resilience home. Plus, how ancient wisdom echoes this science. You don't need a forest to find this connection. You just need to return to your senses. Here is how. First, try daily grounding. Just 10 minutes. Stand barefoot or sit against a tree. Breathe. Research shows this alone can lower physiological stress. Second, observe without judgment. Keep a simple nature log. Write down one thing a bird or the sky did today. This trains your brain to recognize patterns again. Third, build a micro-routine. Take your morning coffee outside, or make one meeting a walking meeting. Small, repeated acts reconnect your nervous system to the world. This connects deeply to ancient Buddhist wisdom, specifically the idea of interdependence. Everything arises because of conditions. We are not separate from the web of life. When you remember you are connected, you act more mindfully. You become less reactive and more resilient. So yes, nature sometimes speaks before it changes. Sometimes it is loud, sometimes it is subtle. But whether plants give us warnings or not, they always give us a lesson. Stay rooted. Sense the world around you. And adapt. If you take one thing from this video, remember this. The world is not just outside you, it is part of you. Reconnect, and you will find your strength again. If this touched you, take 10 minutes outside right now. Then, come back and tell us in the comments what you saw.